went down the street, concentrating on trucking right. I heard a dark voice beside of me, and I looked round in a state of fright. I saw four faces, one mad, a brother from the gutter. They looked me up and down a bit and turned to each other. I say, I don't like cricket. Oh no, I love it. I don't like cricket. No, no, I love it.
Don't you walk through my words, you got to show some respect. Don't you walk through my words, 'cause you ain't heard me again.
Tilling my own grave to keep me level. Jam another dragon down the hole. Digging to the rhythm and the echo of a solitary silent one that pushes me along and leaves me so someone feed the monkey while I dig in search of China white as Dracula as I approach the bottom. Angel, come away, come again some other day. Devil has my ear today. Oh, hero, won't you say? Promised I would find a little solace and some peace of mind, whatever, just as long as I don't feel so desperate.
Desperate.
faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And to feel the way that every child should sit and listen, sit and listen. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Had a teacher tell me what's my lesson. Look right through me, look right through me. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. People run in circles, it's a very, very mad
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell